Hi there. Today we're diving into an essential Excel skill, counting unique values. But wait. Did you know the word unique can mean two different things in Excel? That's why we'll explore two distinct ways to count unique values depending on what you need. Both methods are simple once you know the trick. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to choose the right one for your situation. Let's jump in. Hello and welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Hannah, and together with the Sheet Leveler team, we're here to make learning Excel not just easy, but fun too. With our step-by-step tutorials, you'll be mastering Excel in no time. So back to unique. In Excel, this word has two meanings, and they lead to two very different ways of counting values. Unique as first instance values, which can appear once or more in your data. Unique as single occurrence values, where duplicates are completely ignored. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine a table with the values: banana, apple, orange, apple, orange. For first instance unique values, we're looking at all distinct entries, regardless of duplicates. Here, the unique values are banana, apple, and orange. For single occurrence unique values, we only count values that show up once. In this case, that's just banana. Clear? Great. Let's move on to how we calculate these in Excel. Here's the truth. Excel doesn't have a simple built-in function for counting unique values. But don't worry. I'll walk you through two easy formulas to get the job done. The best part? You don't need to memorize these formulas or understand every little detail. Just copy them from the video description below and tweak them for your needs. Let's see how it works. First up, first instance unique values. Copy the first formula from the description and paste it into your target cell. You'll see some asterisks in the formula. Those are placeholders for your data range. In this example, our data is in B3 to B7, so replace the asterisks with that range. Do this in both parts of the formula, then press Enter. Voila! The formula gives you the count of all distinct values, including duplicates. For our example, the result is 3: banana, apple, and orange. Want a deep dive into how this formula works? Leave us a comment, and we'll happily create a separate tutorial. But for now, let's keep things simple and focus on how to use it. Now, let's count single occurrence unique values, those that appear only once. Again, grab the formula from the description and paste it into your cell. Replace the asterisks with the same range B3 to B7, then hit Enter. This time, the formula returns 1, because only banana shows up without duplicates. Now for the fun part, testing. Let's tweak our data to see how the formulas adapt. Change apple in cell B4 to lemon. What happens? The first instance unique count updates to 4. Banana, lemon, orange, and apple. The single occurrence count changes to 3. Banana, lemon, and orange. Pretty cool, right? These formulas also work for numbers. For instance, if you replace orange in B6 with 1, the results will update automatically. Now here's something to watch out for. Empty cells. If you delete a value, say B5, and leave the cell blank, the first instance formula will throw an error. To avoid this, make sure your data has no blank cells before applying the formula. Need help removing empty cells? We've got you covered with a tutorial on how to remove blank rows in Excel. Link in the description. The good news? The single occurrence formula works just fine with empty cells, ignoring them completely. That's why in this case, the count updates correctly to 4 unique values. Which formula will you use? So which formula do you think you'll be using more often? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experiences and help with any questions you might have. If this tutorial helped, Give us a thumbs up and check out more of our videos to keep leveling up your Excel skills. New to Sheet Leveler? We'd love to have you join our community. Hit that subscribe button, become a subscriber, and start learning Excel the easy way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.